Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install BONOSS Mercedes wheel spaces. Let's go. Hub-centric spaces are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. The center hole of these wheels is perfectly fitting the wheel hub assembly. BONOSS wheel spaces has a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. If you want to get the BONOSS Mercedes wheel spaces, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!